Every property is different. Every business is different. Every family is different. So why should every building be the same? At Totalspan, every project starts with a conversation. Understanding how you'll use your building, understanding your property, and understanding what matters most to you. Because whether you need a workshop, machinery shed, garage, or commercial facility, no two projects are ever the same. That's why we design every building around your unique requirements. Combining quality materials, practical design, and local expertise, we create steel buildings engineered for Australian conditions and built to last. The result isn't just a building, it's a place to work, a place to grow a business, a place to protect what matters, and a place built around the way you live. For over 40 years, we've been helping Australians create spaces that work for today and tomorrow. Who can? Totalspan.